Hi everyone, family, friends, welcome to Becky's kitchen. In today's video I'll be showing you how I prepare spaghetti stir fry, so stay tuned. Here are my ingredients. Here I have chili pepper, yellow bell pepper, red, green, garlic, ginger. Here I've got some boneless chicken, spaghetti, basil leaf. If you want me to show you how I preserve this basil leaf, now is 1 month old in my fridge, please leave it down in the comment section. Salt, ginger, garlic, paprika, curry, mushroom powder, thyme, chicken seasoning. So I'm going to set this aside. To add boiled water to cook the spaghetti. So to cook my pasta, I always add a spoon of oil to the water, salt. I'm going to add my pasta and cook till al dente. Simply means not too hard, not too soft. I'm going to be using carrot oil. Sometimes if I don't cook with carrot oil, I cook with coconut oil. So these are my two favorite oil. I'm going to make my stir fry. I'll be adding some oil. Now I'm going to add the ginger, garlic, onion, and let it fry. And now I'm going to add some sliced tomato. Now I'm going to add my green, red, and yellow bell pepper. My chili pepper as well. I'm going to have some chicken seasoning, salt, and leave it for 2 minutes to fry. Now I'm going to add the chicken. Now I'm going to add the spaghetti. Mince, and voila, spaghetti stir fry is ready. Now I'm going to add the remaining basil leaf. Wow, I'm going to give it a try now. Wow, yummy. Guys, if you do try this recipe, let me know in comment section below. Please don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in my next one. Bye.